Hello guys, welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and right now we will have another video presentation, and this will be a tutorial and step-by-step procedure on how you can get a Gawang Pinoy Scalper EA bot. So as of now guys, ang natest ko at ang nire-recommend ko na EA bot na Gawang Pinoy, which is made by Mr. Ephraim Umpan, is yung Pinoy Scalper. Kasi dito yung naging profitable ako, nakita ko na maganda yung bot na to. So if you will ask me other EA bot, hindi ko po nire-recommenda pa yung iba dahil hindi ko pa nasubukan. At mas sinasuggest ko as a scalper bot, ito. Bukod doon sa iba pa, sa isa pang bot na minention ko before sa inyo. So ano ba yung step by step na gagawin ko para magkaroon ako ng EA bot ng Gawang Pinoy? Una, kailangan mong mag-register sa multi-bank account na link na nasa description ng video na ito. So you have to register on the link below that mentioned in multi-bank account. You have to choose MT4, standard only, and you can change the leverage kapag kayo ay registered na. And make sure you have proof of addresses aside from valid ID para hindi kayo magka-problem sa withdraw. There is no also a problem in a proof of address because they are accepting barangay certificate of residency sa barangay nyo. So you just need to ask your barangay if you are living in Philippines to have a verified multi-bank account. So para hindi kayo magka-problema in the long run in withdrawal. So at least register in multi-bank account. So you will go to this link and you will register in multi-bank group account. So if you have already multi-bank account, meron tayong other instruction to do para maging under kayo ng link namin. Step 2, as I mentioned, you should get verified, no? Itong multi-bank account. Get verified via your email address and deposit at least $100 and kayo lang ang may access ng $100 na yon. And make sure, sabi ko nga, may valid ID kayo, government issue, and then may proof of addresses. Kung talagang hirap kayo, wala kayong proof of addresses, pwede kayong kumuha sa barangay po ninyo. Then step 3, you have to fill up the Google form. Andito yung mga step-by-step din na gagawin nyo. So fill up nyo lang yung Google form because we really need your multi-bank account number, yun lang, and your full name para kilala namin. Of course, kung saang email address nyo namin ipapadala yung EA bot nyo. EX4 po yan, which is valid for 1 year. So meron po tayong validity na magagamit free of subscription, wala kang ibang babayaran. Step 4, you need a virtual private server kung if you don't have any PC open ng more than 2 to 3 hours. Kung kailangan meron kang computer na bukas kasi gagamitin po dito yung MT4. Para sa mga hindi pa nakakaintindi ng MT4, this is an application kung saan pwede kang mag-trade in Forex. And right now, I'm using the multi-bank account and ito po, nagte-trade na ang bot sa akin sa ngayon. So, yan po yung mga example natin. So, once you are, so yun yung step 4 natin, you need a virtual private server or a computer open while your bot is trading. So, kung 2 to 3 hours nyo yan isinet up, dapat bukas yung inyong computer para nagte-trade ang bot. And after step 4, step 5, don't forget to join in our Telegram group. Okay, sa Telegram group namin, andito lang yan, yung Telegram group namin na makikita nyo. And this Telegram group is only for the follow-up of EA requested. Okay, so this is not for communication. Meron tayong group talaga. Step 6, makaka-receive kayo ng email. Once you receive an email of the file or the download link of the file, just follow the instruction on how to install this EA. You may visit our YouTube channel. So, make sure na makopy rin po ninyo yung YouTube channel, lahat ng link na naandito. So, done and be updated. Follow the recommended setting and risk management. So, recap ko lang kung anong mga step na dapat gawin. Step 1, register in our multi-bank link below. Wala po kayong ibang babayaran. Kung may multi-bank na kayo, we have an instruction on how you can do it under our link. Step 2, get verified via your email and deposit at least $100. Step 3, kailangan nyo pong sagutan ang Google Form na ito. Step 4, kailangan nyo ng bukas na PC or BPS, Virtual Private Server, para habang nagte-trade ang bot, bukas ang MT4. Hindi po ito pwede sa inyong mobile. Pero pwede yang i-set up nyo ang mobile, then iwanan nyo yung computer nyo. Sorry, i-set up nyo yung bot sa PC, sa desktop, and then iwanan nyo po yon, monitor nyo sa mobile. Step 5, join in our Telegram. And step 6, wait for you to receive the EA bot file. And then, follow lang nyo yung instruction on how to install it dito sa YouTube channel na ito. So again, thank you again for watching kung paano, step by step, kung paano tayo magre-request ng Gawang Pinoy Scalper EA. Thank you again for watching here in Earn Money at Home Worldwide.